For the past 4 days, Hannah and I have been here in Kiddaman Creek, not far from Maleny, and it's for the first time that we actually didn't see anyone for 4 days. We came here to reflect on the past year and to kind of plan ahead what we would like to achieve and see and visit and do next year. And I just thought I was going to share with you this place, or about this place, because this is how I imagine my later years in life. And this place is on the top of the hill overlooking the valley, and it's pretty much a house built right on the top of a little hill with the views all around. So it's absolutely magnificent. And we saw some animals here, green frogs, and herd cows, or saw them down in the valley, actually enjoying the last patches of green grass here in the area. I know this is not for everyone to live kind of in almost like in isolation, far away from everything, but for me this is what I enjoy. You don't get woken up by any unnecessary noises apart from animals that live in the area, and it's a spectacular place. Are you achieving your goals and plans and visions? Do you know where you are going? Because it only needs a few degrees to be off course, and we need to know exactly where we are heading to get there. For example, if Captain is going from Sydney to Hawaii on a ship, if he is off course by even 1 degree, he will not get to his destination. And that's how it works in life as well. Earlier in my life, like 15 years ago, I kind of realized that I need to work on my limiting beliefs, and that has been a tremendous journey for myself and for Hannah as well. So working on limiting beliefs to get us where we need to go. I came to Australia in 2003 with one small backpack with very little cash in my pocket, and limiting beliefs were, okay, I'm not native, I have an accent, I don't speak English as well as those who were born here, and so on and on and on. And then of course those limiting beliefs, when I got over them, they started allowing me to achieve what I wanted to achieve in life. So have a plan, have a vision, pursue it, work towards it, and you will get where you want to get. And of course, don't expect different results by doing the same things over and over again. There is something more for you in life, that if you want to actually see different things and especially experience different things in life, go ahead, you deserve it, work on it. Hannah and I were here before, and when we came here for the first time to this beautiful place on the top of the hill, the sign for sale went up, and we were really curious because we love this place. So we thought, okay, maybe this is a sign, we need to inquire. It took 8 days for this place to sell via real estate. As we came this time, second time, we learned that it took them 8 days to sell it. They didn't expect this at all. I am not surprised at all, because it is a magnificent place with the amazing views all around. Look forward to seeing you in real life, and if this is your first time on this channel, go ahead and subscribe here. Click on the subscribe button and YouTube will notify you of my future videos. Thanks, and all the best in 2020.